In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dhgate coupon. First, a quick note before we begin. Coupons on Dhgate are account-based, which means they only work when you're signed in. Start by opening dhgate.com in your browser or launching the official app and log in, or create an account if you're new. The app often features exclusive coupons you won't see on desktop, so it's worth installing if you want the best deals. Now let's collect coupons. Head to My Account, then Coupons, to browse what's available. When you see something that fits your shopping plans, tap Collect or Claim so it's saved to your account. You can also find seller coupons directly on product pages. Open a listing you're interested in, look for the seller coupon area, and tap Get Coupon. Some stores may ask you to follow them before you can claim their offer. Beyond that, keep an eye on app pop-ups, flash sales, and major events like 11.11 or Black Friday, as well as new user bonuses. If you're using the app, you can also earn coins through daily check-ins and casual browsing, then exchange those coins for extra coupons inside the app. Before you use any coupon, always check the conditions. Open the coupon details and confirm the minimum spend, the expiry date, and which stores or products it applies to. If any of these conditions aren't met, the coupon won't apply at checkout. When your coupons are ready, add eligible items to your cart. For seller coupons, make sure the items come from the same seller and that your cart total meets the required minimum amount. This avoids surprises later. Proceed to checkout and look for the coupon or discount section. Select the Dhgate coupon you collected, and if you also have a matching seller coupon for the items in your cart, select that as well. Click Apply. The order total should update instantly to show your savings. If it doesn't, revisit the terms or adjust your cart so it meets the requirements. Here's a pro tip for bigger savings. Dhgate often allows stacking. The ideal combo is the sale price on the item plus a Dhgate coupon, a seller coupon, and a small discount using coins. Apply what's available in the coupon or discount area and use your coins if prompted during payment. A few final tips to stay organized. Watch expiry dates and limited quantity notices. Refresh the app if a coupon seems to disappear, and make sure your region and currency settings are correct, since some coupons are region specific. Also, changing items or sellers after applying a coupon can make it invalid, so finalize your cart before you apply.